Welcome! Today I'm showing how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into a Motorola Moto G200. First of all, open your settings and find security option, this one. Then need scroll down, and on the bottom we got SIM card lock. So if you have two SIM cards, choose the SIM cards, and then into menu in SIM cards we got lock SIM card, first option. Click here to unlock, enter your PIN for unlocking, and click OK. And that's it. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.